Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be using this nail dust collector from AIRSEE. But first, if you are new here, welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I post nail content daily. Yes, daily. You can catch me in the shorts section. I post nail pics, nail designs, nail content daily. Let's get straight into the video. Special thanks to AIRSEE. They reached out to me, and here we have the nail dust collector G Series GD3. Comfortable, practical, technological, and inspirational. From AIRSEE. The package is real easy to open. You just lift the box up. Please read. This is always for our own benefit to see how to use each product. Please read. And no worries, guys. I will have all the information in the description if you have any questions. Okay, so let's see. Very lightweight. We have... Okay. It's very lightweight. So that comes in a box, and then we have the power cord. You just attach it like so. It comes with the power feature. It comes with 3 speeds. Gentle, moderate, and powerful. So this is the power button. So let's just test it out right quick. So it automatically, when you power it on, it comes on the gentle. And I'm talking over it in real time so you can hear how it sounds. And all you have to do is, like, you don't even have to press it. All you have to do is touch it. Wow, I like that. And like I said, yes, it has gotten a little louder, but it's on the powerful mode. And you don't even have to press it. Like, this is pretty cool. Now let's power. That's on the powerful mode. Now let's power it off. Wow. And I like that it's low. It's not too high. Okay. So let's see. This is the filter. It's a reusable filter. And it's easy to use. Slide in and slide out. The GD3 nail dust collector from AIRSEE goes up to 4,000 RPMs with wind speed of 3.8. Now, the moment of truth, we want to test it, right? We want to see how good it works. I am going to be using the AIRSEE drill. I'll have that linked in as well, but I'll be using this drill to remove off some of this. Let's power our drill on, and this is going to be on the gentle cycle. I think I want to put this here just so you can see what it collects. Let's do that. But you don't need to put a filter here. This is just a regular napkin I'm using just so you can see what it collects. Now I'm adjusting it to the next speed, which will be considered the moderate speed. And I'm talking over it, so this is in real time. Now I'm adjusting it to the powerful mode, and I'm talking over it in real time. For the powerful mode, I do think that it's not too loud. I don't think that it's too loud in the powerful mode. So as you can see, let's power it off. As you can see, the dust stayed there or on my hands, and that was just the way I was holding it. but I've got all that off and it's there. Let's do another demonstration with this nail. I'm going to power it on, and I'm going to put it on the gentle cycle. And as you can see, it's going straight on the filter. It's not blowing the particles all over the room. And that's the goal. And I love the fact that you can keep it on the gentle cycle and it gets the job done. Now I have it on the moderate. Now let's adjust it to the powerful. This is on the highest speed that it goes. And as you can see with that color, it is going straight on the filter. This filter is just a regular napkin that we use everyday household product. And I'm only using that to show you guys. And I'm talking in real time with the highest speed. I think this dust collector from AIRSEE works really well. The volume is decent. For the amount of work it does, you can't expect it to be quiet, but it's not too loud. So both of these products are from AIRSEE, and I'm still speaking while the volume is on max with this dust collector. And as you can see, the dust is where it needs to be. Let's power everything off. And there you have it, guys. This dust collector G Series GD3 from AIRSEE works really well. Comfortable, practical, technological, and inspirational. I have all the information linked in the description. It's very affordable. You can get it from Amazon. So if you have Prime, you know you can get it. Very quick ship to your house. They also have an official website. All that information will be in the description. I would like to thank AIRSEE for sending me this great product to use. I will be using it on my clients. You'll see it in different videos. I think it works great. Very easy, very simple, not a whole lot of work to do. A power cord and the actual machine. Once again, you press the power on, and the speeds, you just touch it. I love that feature. Absolutely love that feature. And this is the nail dust collector from AIRSEE G Series GD3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll come back and answer them. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You know, if you want to start out with that laugh, right? Yeah. TSM, yeah. Woo! What you watch? RX nails. Who be poppin'? RX nails. What you watch? RX nails. When they judge? RX nails. What you watch? RX nails.